everyone, in this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a WhatsApp AI agent using Go. By the end of this video, you'll have a WhatsApp AI agent for account verification updates that your Go application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe exactly what you want your AI agent to do. Below that, you've also got some ready-made templates if you want a quick starting point. Let's start typing our prompt. Today we'll create an HTTP-triggered WhatsApp AI agent that notifies users when their account verification is under review after they submit their KYC documents. The agent should proactively share verification status, answer common verification-related questions, explain timelines, and clearly communicate what actions are available before verification is complete. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your WhatsApp agent. Now open the API request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a user's account verification status changes. Next, click on the language drop-down on the right. For this video, let's select Go. Plivo generates a ready-made Go snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Go script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever account status changes. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Go snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your WhatsApp AI agent. Let's have a look at how the conversation looks like once the user submits their KYC documents. And that's it! Your WhatsApp AI agent for account verification updates is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Go application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and keep users informed about their account verification status automatically over WhatsApp.